Hi, it's Brett, the herbalist, and I'm the guy that's designed the herbal detox and slim programs. But also, I've done all these recipes that you can use during your programs to help your body to cleanse, to sort the metabolism out, and to lose a little bit of weight if that's needed. So, have a look on the page, you'll find 100 or so recipes there. But you can choose these recipes depending on which program you're taking by looking for the little selector, the program type, and choose the program that you're on there. And the key thing with these programs is the food is all unprocessed and it's whole food, plant-based, and 100% natural. So we don't want to use any additives or chemicals or foods that are processed in factories with flavourings and preservatives and all that sort of thing. If possible, try to avoid those completely. The other thing we avoid is meat. So you'll find some of the recipes, very few, have a little bit of fish, and that's for the long-term programs, so your 1 month programs, your herbal slim, your body tune programs and so on. The other thing try to do is to get what's fresh and what's available in the produce stores locally. So try not to get too much imported, out of season produce. It's really good to stay in line with the seasons because that helps your body to tune in to its own cycle and metabolism, and helps the whole healing process to happen a bit faster as well. And you'll also find that you can use the other selectors if you've got a special need. There's this special diet selector as well there. So if you want to be vegan, for example, you just select that and it will filter all the recipes to suit your type, your diet type. Yeah, so apart from that, enjoy the recipes. I hope this has been helpful, and enjoy your cooking and get into the food. It's really a big part of the program is to get into the kitchen and get cooking and enjoy yourself. So I hope the program goes well. Thanks for watching.